Hi, welcome to this. And, this is the video that I'm recording to demonstrate me using the API for each of the routes I've created. First, I'll go to my Visual Studio and I completed everything. I wrote my Swagger .js file, had everything in included, and there is just something I want to highlight because of the issue I was facing. So this was supposed to be my URL for a render for the production server, but I do not have this. I couldn't create a web server on render because I already have a web server running on render, and that is from the first class, which is web backend CSE 340. So that's the first class I attended this term, and we created a web server. So when I reached out to the instructor for this class, asking him for help, and I mentioned it to him that I already have a web server, so he mentioned it that I cannot have another web server on render. So the service isn't giving me another one. So unfortunately, I cannot have a render now, but this is my file, and I'm going to commit all the changes and update Swagger just for the GitHub. Okay, that should be fine. And now my server is running, so my render, my Swagger is done. This is my REST file. At first I'd called it test API.http, but I changed it to .rest now. So it is available right now. And these are my routes that I'm testing. So my server is already running, and I loaded it into my local host. I'm not using render, I'm using localhost, and this is it. So this is the file, these are my APs, and I'm going to stop the video quite shortly, then I record again because I only have like 3 minutes of free time to record. So in order for this to work, I'm going to kill this terminal first, then run it again. Okay, welcome back. So what I did is I just paused so that I could start my connection file to connect to my DB, and here it is. It has shown the connection, and then I started